So it's a really, really fast rise in a very short amount of time.
Passing $3 trillion in market cap and briefly snatching the crown from Microsoft and Apple as the most valuable company in the world.
Early in the morning, Robert Canwell was deep into the latest financial reports from Oracle, scanning for any shift in trends. By afternoon, his attention was glued to a rival in the big tech scene, probing their investment levels, which, if significant, might spell good news for Nvidia. He speculated that Nvidia could stand to gain even from minor market slips, given their knack for bouncing back swiftly. How will Nvidia navigate these murky waters? Join us to find out how these revelations might shake up the tech world. Nvidia's strategic moves in the hyperscaler arena. Jeff highlighted the intense competition in the tech industry, especially noting that while Nvidia leads, AMD and Intel are close contenders. Additionally, challenges in China pose significant hurdles, particularly in the AI chip market. Despite these challenges, Nvidia's data center revenue has seen impressive growth, increasing by over 200% year over year, although supply issues persist. Jeff also mentioned Nvidia's upcoming innovations, particularly the much-anticipated H100 chips and the forthcoming BlackW chips. These new products are generating a lot of excitement and speculation about their impact on Nvidia's performance in the coming months. Julian Emanuel from Evacor shared insights on the tech industry, particularly about the impact of new products and technological advancements. He suggested that Nvidia's new innovations could generate increased interest and potentially revolutionize the industry, similar to how other major tech companies have transformed their sectors. Mark Lippis, another analyst from Evacor, made a bold prediction about Nvidia's future impact on the tech industry. He explained that major tech players often gain significant influence during new computing eras. This prediction is a testament to Nvidia's significant growth potential. Nvidia's latest advancements, especially in AI and gaming, highlight its ability to lead and grow in high-demand areas. For example, Nvidia's focus on gaming has led to substantial growth in that sector over the years, showcasing its innovative capabilities and market leadership. These companies are consistently exceeding expectations and significantly boosting their technological advancements, positioning them as key innovators in the market. But here's the interesting part. Even with worries about high valuations, a closer look shows that these stocks are actually priced better now compared to their past figures. Over the past 3 years, these companies have increased their operating earnings by $150 billion. Plus, their combined cash reserves have grown from $150 billion to $200 billion without taking on more debt. This financial strength means they could pay off all their debts in just a year using their free cash flow if they needed to. This strong financial health shows they are in a good market position with low risk of major financial problems. It's a good reason to feel positive about 2024. If you're looking at ways to build wealth and make smart investments, now might be a great time to add these tech stocks to your portfolio. Nvidia, with its strong position in the growing AI sector and solid financial base, is a golden opportunity that smart investors shouldn't miss. The potential for growth in AI and the company's strong market position make it a top choice in the tech investment world. Now, let's see how Nvidia's recent financial successes could shape its future. Charting a record-breaking quarter in AI innovation. Nvidia's financial performance this year is nothing short of remarkable. They've managed to skyrocket their revenue by a whopping 262% in just the first half of the year, amassing a total of $26.4 billion. This isn't just a big number, it's a giant leap over what market experts predicted. Analysts had their bets placed on around $24.59 billion. But Nvidia smashed those estimates. Comparing Nvidia's financial surge to other major companies reveals a broader landscape of corporate performance. For instance, if we look at other tech giants like Apple or Amazon, they also report impressive revenues. But the growth rate Nvidia has shown is particularly striking. Typically, Apple reports steady growth due to its strong product ecosystem and brand loyalty, while Amazon continues to expand its e-commerce dominance along with its cloud computing segment. However, Nvidia's growth is primarily fueled by its cutting-edge AI and gaming technologies, sectors that are witnessing explosive demand. Another interesting comparison is with companies outside the tech sphere, such as Ford or Coca-Cola. These companies, while giants in their respective industries, show more modest revenue increases. They often deal with slower growth cycles and more physical product limitations. Unlike tech companies that operate with digital products and services, which can scale more rapidly. In terms of efficiency, Nvidia's adjusted gross margin, a key indicator of how profitably a company can produce and sell its products, has soared to 78.4% from 64.6% the previous year. This margin outshines many competitors, reflecting Nvidia's ability to manage its production and operational costs effectively while maximizing its sales output. Moreover, Nvidia's strategic focus on areas like AI, deep learning, and gaming graphics gives it an edge over traditional tech companies that might be more diversified or not as deeply invested in these booming sectors. This focus allows Nvidia to leverage high-demand technologies, contributing to their substantial revenue growth. Nvidia's data center business is particularly strong. It's not just doing well, it's booming, with revenues increasing by 427% year-over-year to $22.6 billion. This segment now accounts for 86% of Nvidia's total revenue, highlighting just how crucial it is to their business. But the good news doesn't stop there. Looking forward, the outlook for the next quarter is equally bright, if not brighter. Nvidia expects their revenue to be around $28 billion, which is more than what was anticipated. This forecast not only reflects Nvidia's solid business model and innovative edge, but also underlines their ability to consistently exceed market expectations. This trend of surpassing financial forecasts, combined with their incredible growth in both profits and revenue, underscores why Nvidia is viewed as a leader in the tech industry, especially in the AI domain. Their ability to not only keep up, but set the pace in a rapidly advancing field offers a promising horizon for investors and the tech world alike. This consistent ability to beat earnings expectations and stay ahead of its competition shows Nvidia's strong position in the market, boosting investor confidence in its stock. For those following our analysis, thank you. Your support through likes and subscriptions helps us continue to provide valuable content. But the quiet trading week with slight declines in major indices like the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ doesn't overshadow Nvidia's big news. Today marks Nvidia's 10-for-1 stock split. Keith Fitzgerald, joining our discussion, highlights the significant potential for Nvidia's stock post-split. The split makes the stock more accessible due to its lower price and could lead to increased buying and investment. Keith is optimistic about Nvidia's prospects, noting the company's rapid growth, annual earnings increases of up to 450%, and revenue growth rates between 250% and 270%. This growth is driven by Nvidia's ability to meet the high demand from its largest customers, who are eager to buy every chip Nvidia produces. But this wasn't the only good news. Looking ahead, Nvidia continues to push boundaries with new innovations, like the BlackW and Rubin chips, enhancing its product lineup. Moreover, Nvidia's commitment to innovation, especially in the AI sector, is crucial. The company is not just maintaining, but strengthening its position as a global leader in AI technology. Nvidia's latest GPUs and CPUs are supported by the best hardware and software, ensuring they stay ahead in the AI industry. This relentless drive to innovate and lead in technology makes Nvidia a top choice for investors looking for a company with strong future prospects and a solid competitive edge. At the Computex event in Taiwan, Huang introduced Nvidia's latest AI architecture named Rubin, which is set to start shipping in 2026, just a few months after the announcement of the BlackW platform. BlackW, which was designed for high-performance AI and scientific computing, succeeded the Hopper platform optimized for AI inference and training and launched less than a year ago. Now fully in production, BlackW is expected to increase output in the third quarter. Meanwhile, the demand for the Hopper platform remains robust. Jensen further excited investors by announcing that Nvidia plans to introduce a new line of chips annually, doubling the pace from the previous strategy of a new release every 2 years. This accelerated innovation cycle has solidified Nvidia's dominance in the AI chip market, maintaining a market share of between 70% and 95%, according to estimates from Mizuho. Despite growing competition in the AI space, with rivals like AMD and Intel introducing their own AI chips at competitive prices, Nvidia's early lead in AI technology keeps it well ahead, with competitors lagging by several quarters. Nvidia's proactive strategy and continual advancements have propelled it to become the second most valuable company in the world, boasting a market cap of $3 trillion, astounding rise from just under $100 billion less than 5 years ago. The company's strong position in the AI market is only expected to strengthen, with anticipated growth in this sector in the coming years. This outlook encourages continued investment in Nvidia stock at its current levels. Although some critics anticipate a potential decrease in demand following the initial surge of AI installations, such forecasts seem to be a few quarters away at the very least. Given these factors, Nvidia stock continues to be rated as a highly attractive investment opportunity. Next, we'll look at how the market's latest shifts, especially from Micron, are affecting Nvidia. Nvidia's response to market shifts. Jensen Huang spoke about their product development, particularly highlighting the Blackwell architecture. He reassured everyone that the demand for the Hopper architecture remains strong, echoing sentiments from their previous earnings call. Then he shifted focus to Blackwell, its successor, which has been widely embraced by the industry. More notably, Huang predicted that the Blackwell architecture might become the most successful product in Nvidia's history, and potentially in the entire computer system industry. But this wasn't the only exciting part. The significance of Huang's announcement cannot be overstated. It suggests a future where Nvidia continues to lead in innovation and market dominance. This projection for Blackwell not only reaffirms Nvidia's leading status in the tech world, but also hints at the profound impact this new architecture will have on future technologies. This development suggests that despite the short-term fluctuations in stock price, driven by broader market movements like those seen with Micron, Nvidia's long-term trajectory looks strong. The potential of Blackwell confirms that Nvidia remains on the cutting edge of technology, continuously pushing the boundaries of what is possible in AI and computing. For investors and tech enthusiasts alike, this is a signal to watch Nvidia closely as they gear up to possibly set new benchmarks in the industry. The Grace Blackwell 200, part of this platform, features the superchip compute node with the NL72. This setup promises huge demand for Nvidia's products, hinting at a massive surge in the overall Blackwell market. The excitement around these announcements is real, especially when Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, suggested that the Blackwell platform could be the most successful product in the company's history. But this wasn't the only highlight. Huang also hinted that this platform could become one of the most important developments in the entire history of computing. Few products can claim to revolutionize both the computer and the broader tech world. The significance of Huang's statements is huge. It shows deep confidence in the back-end developments currently shaping the AI industry. One of the main barriers to the rapid growth of AI has been the lack of computational power, advanced software solutions, and strong infrastructure. Huang's confidence likely comes from the belief that the Grace Blackwell architecture will overcome these barriers, pushing AI into new possibilities. But this wasn't the worst part. The next level of AI development promised by Nvidia's advancements is expected to be transformative. Imagine a world where the computational power, software solutions, and infrastructure improvements brought by the Blackwell platform enable breakthroughs that reshape our daily lives. The efficiency, speed, and power cost improvements of the Blackwell platform could lead to developments that not only change the tech landscape, but also alter how we interact with technology in fundamental ways. The potential impact of Nvidia's innovation goes far beyond current applications, pointing toward a future where AI can solve more complex problems faster and more efficiently than ever before. This could lead to significant advancements in fields like healthcare, automotive technology, and environmental sustainability. But here's the exciting part. With Nvidia leading the way, the future of AI looks not just promising, but revolutionary. These changes could indeed change the world, much like the computing giants of the past did with their groundbreaking technologies. In the world of artificial intelligence, Nvidia has been making huge strides, cementing its position as the clear leader. With the introduction of the H100, Nvidia hasn't just strengthened its lead, it's changed the AI landscape, making it hard to talk about AI without mentioning Nvidia. The company's Blackwell platform, including the B200, the NVLink switch, and the Spectrum X800 for Ethernet networking, is set to boost Nvidia to legendary status in the AI market. The Grace Blackwell 200, part of this platform, features the superchip compute node with the NL72. This setup promises huge demand for Nvidia's products, hinting at a massive surge in the overall Blackwell market. The excitement around these announcements is real, especially when Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, suggested that the Blackwell platform could be the most successful product in the company's history. But this wasn't the only exciting part. Huang also hinted that this platform could become one of the most important developments in the entire history of computing. Few products can claim to revolutionize both the computer and the broader tech world. The significance of Huang's statements is huge. It shows deep confidence in the back-end developments currently shaping the AI industry. One of the main barriers to the rapid growth of AI has been the lack of computational power, advanced software solutions, and strong infrastructure. Huang's confidence likely comes from the belief that the Grace Blackwell architecture will overcome these barriers, pushing AI into new possibilities. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The next level of AI development promised by Nvidia's advancements is expected to be transformative. Imagine a world where the computational power, software solutions, and infrastructure improvements brought by the Blackwell platform enable breakthroughs that reshape our daily lives. The efficiency, speed, and power cost improvements of the Blackwell platform could lead to developments that not only change the tech landscape, but also alter how we interact with technology in fundamental ways. The potential impact of Nvidia's innovation goes far beyond current applications, pointing toward a future where AI can solve more complex problems faster and more efficiently than ever before. This could lead to significant advancements in fields like healthcare, automotive technology, and environmental sustainability. But here's the exciting part. With Nvidia leading the way, the future of AI looks not just promising, but revolutionary. These changes could indeed change the world, much like the computing giants of the past did with their groundbreaking technologies. During their recent presentation, Micron shared some important updates that Nvidia investors should pay attention to, especially given the rapid growth in AI-driven markets. They highlighted that the growing demand for AI in data centers has boosted their revenue significantly, by over 50% in a short time. This is a big jump, showing strong performance and a smart business strategy that aligns with current tech trends. Micron has also successfully expanded its presence in high-margin AI-related products, like high-bandwidth memory. For those who might not know, HBM is a type of memory crucial for powering AI accelerators, which help process AI tasks quickly and efficiently. Only a few key players can produce this advanced memory technology, and Micron is making significant progress in becoming one of them. But this wasn't the only news. Recently, Micron started working with HBM3E, marking its entry into this specialized market. While they didn't focus on the standard HBM3 market, their move into HBM3E shows a strategic shift towards a niche but important sector. This step is part of Micron's broader strategy to not just participate but grow in the high-stakes AI memory market. This expansion into HBM3E is crucial for Micron's future growth opportunities. By focusing on high-margin, high-demand products, Micron is positioning itself to benefit from the ongoing surge in AI applications across various industries. For Nvidia investors, understanding Micron's role and advancements in memory technology is important. Nvidia's performance in AI is closely tied to the evolution of memory technology, like HBM, as these components are essential for supporting the complex computations needed in advanced AI systems. But this wasn't the end of it. Micron's growth in this area doesn't just reflect its own ambitions, but also highlights a broader industry trend where the demand for more powerful, efficient memory solutions matches the rise of sophisticated AI technologies. As AI becomes more integral to different sectors, the need for specialized memory that can handle such intensive tasks will only grow, making Micron's advancements both noteworthy and essential for investors to follow. For those keeping an eye on the dynamics between these tech giants, Micron's progress in developing and expanding its HBM capabilities could signal how the semiconductor and memory markets will evolve in response to the AI boom. This makes Micron's moves not just an expansion, but a strategic play in a tech ecosystem where AI and memory technologies continue to intersect and drive each other's growth. Let's now focus on Micron's impact on Nvidia and the growing AI technology sector. Micron's AI demand outstrips production. Micron Technologies recently highlighted that the strong demand for AI-driven data center products is causing a tight supply at their advanced manufacturing sites. This situation is expected to lead to ongoing price increases throughout 2024. There is far more demand for high-bandwidth memory than there is supply. This mismatch is becoming a major problem for AI accelerators, suggesting that companies like Nvidia will also face issues in supplying their products if critical components like memory remain limited. This shows that the AI market is here to stay and grow. It's clear that supply constraints are a bigger issue than demand limitations, which is good news for companies like Nvidia that are leading in AI technology development. Micron projects confidence in revenue growth into fiscal year 2025 due to the continued expansion of AI data centers. This reflects a broader industry optimism about the future of AI technologies. But this wasn't the only interesting point. Micron's leadership has shared insights about the current state of AI development, saying we are just at the beginning of a long journey toward artificial general intelligence. They believe the industry is still in the early innings of this technological evolution, highlighting a long-term, transformative journey ahead. This early stage in the development of AGI suggests that there's a tremendous amount of growth and innovation yet to come. Every major player in the AI industry is aiming toward AGI, which is considered the ultimate goal of AI development. AGI represents a future where machines can perform any intellectual task that a human can, making it a revolutionary goal that could change technology's role in our lives. For Nvidia and others, reaching this level of AI capability is not just an objective, but a defining challenge that could lead to unprecedented advancements in how we interact with technology. But here's the exciting part. This perspective from Micron not only highlights their strategic position in addressing AI's demands, but also aligns with Nvidia's ambitions and challenges in the AI space. As both companies navigate this complex landscape, their developments and strategies will likely play a critical role in shaping the capabilities and applications of future AI systems. The focus on overcoming current supply challenges and the strategic push toward AGI underscore a dynamic and rapidly evolving industry, where the stakes are high and the opportunities for innovation and market leadership are even higher. Ooredoo is not just planning, they are investing heavily. The company has committed $1 billion to expand its regional data center capacity by an additional 20 to 25 megawatts, building on its current 40 megawatts. According to Reuters, Ooredoo aims to nearly triple its data center capacity by the end of the decade. This expansion shows their commitment to becoming a leader in computing capacity in the region. But this wasn't the only exciting part. Nvidia, as Ooredoo's chosen partner for these data centers, stands to gain a lot from this venture. If this partnership delivers the expected results, it could encourage other Middle Eastern companies to seek similar deals with Nvidia. Consulting firm PwC estimates that the region's share of the global AI market could reach $320 billion by 2030, which is about 2% of the worldwide market. This prediction came before the region started attracting billions in investments and forming partnerships with major Western tech leaders like Oracle, Amazon, and Microsoft, which invested $15 billion in partnership with the UAE's leading AI entity, G42, in April. The entry of Nvidia into this market is great news for investors, as it's likely to expand and increase its partnerships with Middle Eastern companies, boosting its revenues and stock price. Each successful collaboration not only enhances Nvidia's financial standing, but also solidifies its position as a leader in AI technology. But here's something to consider. As we return to our discussion, we need to ask if Nvidia's rapid growth could lead to overvaluation or create a market bubble. Despite worries that Nvidia might become overpriced, it remains a unique player in the tech industry, offering products that no other company does. Contrary to fears of a bubble, Nvidia stock still shows significant potential due to its groundbreaking contributions to tech and AI. Even as casual conversations at fundraising events reveal that Nvidia is popular among young investors, this popularity doesn't necessarily mean a downturn is coming. If anything, Nvidia's widespread recognition and ownership reflect its fundamental value and potential for long-term growth. Moreover, considering the broader economic environment, even with potential federal rate changes, the tech sector, especially companies like Nvidia, has shown resilience and the ability to handle financial pressures. Since the start of 2023, Nvidia has experienced explosive growth of over 700%, briefly becoming the world's most valuable company, surpassing giants like Microsoft and Apple with a market cap exceeding $3.3 trillion. Although there was a pullback as investors took profits, Nvidia has made many of its shareholders very wealthy and continues to show promising prospects for new and long-term investors alike. Could Nvidia's explosive growth and market dominance be setting the stage for an unexpected tech bubble? Like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more.